Long ago, fire existed long before people. Lightning and volcanoes sent flame across the wild world, carving black scars into grass and forest. At some point, our ancestors stepped closer. They learned not just to watch the blaze, but to keep a spark alive. This is the story of how a living force became a human tool, and how that decision set the path towards civilization. Fire was never a human invention. Natural events, lightning strikes, volcanic eruptions, created flames across ancient landscapes long before hominins appeared. Large fires opened up meadows and stripped bark from trees. Animals fled, grazing patterns shifted, and scorched soil became a new kind of habitat. For early hominins, these burned places were opportunities, exposed roots, singed bones, and animals startled into the open. Watching a wildfire taught lessons: where to find food after a burn, where predators would not linger, and how